Okay, so she said it's so hard. He's known to cheat on all his girlfriends. I think I'll start fresh on a new SP without as much to revise. So first, you have free will. You can choose whoever you want to be with, but there are a few things that I want to talk to you about. So the first thing is, if you already have in your mind that he is known to cheat on his girlfriends, then that is the version of him that will be reflected back to you in your 3D, because that is what you are assuming about him. The other thing is, if you came into contact with this person and have this assumption about him, then you need to look within yourself and say, what are the dominant thoughts and assumptions that I have about myself that would create this version of this person that I have encountered? Do I feel not good enough? Do I feel like I'm not chosen? Do I feel that I'm not worthy of being with someone? Do I feel abandoned? You need to determine what limiting beliefs are still dominant within you, because if you let this person go and you go and find somebody else and you did not determine what those limiting beliefs are that are still dominant within you, then you are going to encounter the same thing with this new person, because you have not figured out what those limiting beliefs are about you. So then this person will then reflect back what is still dominant within you, and then you are going to feel so upset because you're like, I don't understand. I let this other person go. I wanted to find somebody else, but everybody is you pushed out. Everybody is a mirror showing you what is still dominant within you. So what I would do right now is you need to figure out, what is this story that I'm still holding about this person? And also, what is still going on within me? Once you figure out those limiting beliefs about yourself, you need to start affirming the opposite, that I am always chosen. I am more than good enough. I have always been treated like a top priority. Everybody always wants to stay in my life. Start working on your self-concept, because then once you do get into a new relationship and you figured out those limiting beliefs that are going on within you, then this person can show you a favorable version of them, because they are just reflecting back what's going on within you, and you have been working on your self-concept. I hope that this helps. Follow me for more tips.